guys, رايحة اليوم لاجونا بيتش مع صديقتي ليز. راحت عشان تجهز، تحضر سيارتها تجهزها. هذه أغراضي حقت البيتش، وهذا عشان البيتش، وهذا هو الأوتفيت حقي. Ignore these. I'm going to the beach, so I need to wear them, but it doesn't match. Same for this. This actually doesn't match either, but that's fine. Anyways, قاعدة الحين تنتظرني فأروح، بس حبيت أوري الأوتفيت. You guys like? And then also this is like two sides. يعني أقدر ألبسه الجهتين. هذه الجهة لونها أصفر وذي الجهة فيها تقميشات patterns. Yes sir. يلا بروح لها الحين، قاعدة تنتظر I think.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. They're recording right now. We're not living yet. But, this is a good idea.
Hi guys. Okay, we've already arrived and we're just looking at the stores. This is vintage. The vintage yacht club. Oh, it's so cute. They have like little statues. احنا الحين بالشاطئ جنب LA. بس قاعدين نشوف الأشياء هنا أول مرة لي. This is literally my first time. This is not the store. This one's still cute though. Yeah. And look at Liz. She looks good. Okay. Okay, wait. Yes. I like the top. Yeah. Oh, this is definitely better. Cute. The top is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is the best. No, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we're gonna go to the other shops over there. I'm excited. Are you?
Yes.
Yes.
There's also like smoothies and stuff there.
Yes.
Yeah, I think maybe this.
Is there acai?
I think so, actually. I think so. It's like a healthy, like smoothie acai thing.
Yeah, I know someone who loves acai.
Who loves acai?
Me.
Oh. I was like, wait, what?
Oh my god, I almost fell.
Careful. Yeah, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
I know. Wait, come here.
Hello.
We got a future influencer here.
Okay.
You're learning from me right now. So, number one thing is it's fine to appear
You have to not care.
phone out. You have to not care whether whoever passes by.
Social
Hello
anxiety
everyone.
fears you.
Welcome back to my vlog. Yes.
Wait, okay, everything's closed.
It is? Is that us?
Oh. This is where the place was.
Right here? Wait, it's closed? What the hell?
Bruh. It's closed. But it says they're open something else.
What is it? Oh, the
It was just like,
smoothie thing?
it was this whole place. It was just like a smoothie and at the end was like acai. But I mean, the boats are cute.
There's more shops, right? I feel like where are the shops
I
though?
think everything's closed right now.
Yeah.
So, damn, we went to the wrong place. Okay. Nice we know.
It's okay. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, everything's closed right now.
Now I get why people think I'm Latina. Like, I could see it.
I think it's a good thing.
Yeah, no, I think so too. I think it's a compliment. Like, people usually think I'm virgin, or
Don't they say Indian?
sometimes, or you too, right? You got that too before,
I got
right?
Indian, yeah. I get
Yeah,
Persian
I think
a
it
lot.
might be because of the nose piercing. You get Persian a lot too,
I get Persian a lot too.
and what else do I get? I get Brazilian a lot,
Ooh. Ooh.
and then yeah,
That's a good one.
yeah.
Oh, look at that little painting.
I almost slipped someone's name out, but
Ooh,
yeah.
T.
I'm not problematic,
wait.
guys.
Clickbait.
A.
Who are we talking about here?
A.
Who's A?
Monster.
Oh.
Okay, guys, look at this. It's so pretty.
Oh my god. So we're at Dana Point?
Camera doesn't do stuff justice. Ooh. Oh my god.
Sorry. Oh my god, you can't turn here? Oh. See?
Sorry, man.
Did you get that on camera? It's fine.
Not really, like a little.
They just broke fast in front of me, okay? That wasn't my fault, okay?
It's okay. It's okay, Shawty Bay.
Pretty stories.
Does my finger feel weird?
Don't say it like that. No. Why?
Because I got no nail.
Oh. No.
Do you get it?
No.
Like I have no nails.
No. I don't know.
I'm not showing you guys, I'm sorry. I can't get over how good I look.
Ooh. No, that's a good thing. That's one thing, I really like your makeup today.
I know, me too. I need to
wait.
start putting more effort into
Can
my
we get
makeup
off here?
again.
Like, wait, I don't know what this. Yeah. Okay, wait.
Parking.
I don't know. No, but I'm saying like, is there even stores here?
Yeah, I think so.
Wait, but like where? I don't think so.
Oh, wait, what?
It's okay. I'm just gonna follow the maps instead.
Sorry, I'm like the friend that whips out the phone
No,
every
go
second. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wait, I gotta.
Ooh.
Do you see? That's what I was looking at. That's what I was looking at.
I couldn't see that. Oh my god.
I know.
I hope I don't crash because I'm lucky. Kidding.
It's funny, I could pause for a few seconds to look.
Well, you can park there.
Oh. Yeah? Oh, perfect.
Or should I go here? Wait, what is this? Should I?
Yeah, is it a lot? I think it is. It would, they would have said.
What is this?
This is beautiful.
This is scary.
I think we'll be fine, like, if anything, you turn.
Hazard zone? What?
Go very slow. Go very slow. Go slower, like 15.
Oh, this is a beach. Wait,
Oh.
what?
That's so pretty.
Look at that house.
Which one? Oh! I know, we're like in a mountain.
Sorry.
You need like a tissue? Okay guys, we parked here at the beach now. احنا الحين بالشاطئ. اسم الشاطئ هذا بيبي بيتش. الترانسليشن الترجمة هو شاطئ الأطفال. فكل الناس اللي هنا كلهم أطفال. What is that?
It's a fly. It's okay.
Was it a
Run
normal
away.
fly?
Yeah.
Okay, thank God. That was way too big. Yeah, it's cute. It's a cute little one. So we're just sitting here, like.
It's literally just like a tiny beach. It's so cute.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Look at the ship. It looks so cool.
What? That's not America. What? What is it? What? She zipped into it. She zipped into it. No, I didn't. You're joking. Okay guys, we're at the 1,000 Steps beach now, and I think it's called 1,000 steps because of the stairs. Like the amount of stairs. Oh my god, that's a lot of like going down and up. Do you think it's actually 1,000 steps?
No.
Yeah, me neither. But it's so beautiful. Like it's so pretty. باخذ الصور هنا أكيد. المهم الترجمة معليش أنا أنسى دايما أترجم لكم. هذا الشاطئ اسمه 1000 خطوة. شاطئ 1000 خطوة. وأنا وصديقتي كنا يعني نقول ليش اسمه كذا 1000 خطوة، ليش هذا الاسم؟ طلع عشان الستيرز شكله من جد فيه 1000. لا أكيد مو 1000 بس يعني كبروها يمكن 50 إلى 100 هذا شيء زي كذا ما أعرف بس والله مشينا كثير. بس يجنن المكان يجنن مرة. أنا أخذ خطواتي بحذر بحذر لأن حذياني my shoes are chunky so it's like weird to go down it. I hope I don't fall.
I know.
Oh, it's so pretty, guys. This is 1,000 step beach. Oh, you look beautiful. I know. Look at the house over there. It's so nice. So right now we're just looking for a spot to sit at. I'm sweating already. It's actually sunny. Like it's not that sunny, but yeah.
Like all the way down.
This was our setup, guys. We put the, what is it called? The towel here. And the towel's really big, so it fit both of us. And then it's that thing. Enjoying your chips. And we were recording a lot of TikToks and stuff. And I took some photos. I don't know if I love the photos. Hi guys. We were sitting here. I forgot to record the vibes and stuff, but it was so aesthetic. Like Liz had this idea to put her stuff over there. Obviously, it's not there anymore.
So big too.
Yeah, the towel's like perfect.
Oh, I see the things.
Do you see it now? Yeah, it kept like jumping on me. And yeah, we set up stuff there. I think Liz will send me the photo so that I can send it here because it looked so good. It was so aesthetic. But yeah, we were sitting here tanning, trying to tan.
Did we tan? No.
Wait, look. Look.
Did we?
I accidentally tanned because look, this one is white. And like,
I think it's because we were laying down. I think it's just like.
No, it's darker here, and it's. Am I delusional?
No, I kind of see it.
Do you see? Look.
Yeah. Oh shit! Yeah.
Because I wasn't planning to tan.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.